Welcome back to this episode of Savannah's Nooks and Crannies. Today we're checking out 100 Smoke Rise Road in Richmond Hill, Georgia. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 2,208 square feet. It's in the beautiful community of Creekside. So let's go check it out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Well, here's the front of the home. As you can see, 2-car garage right there. Different textures going on here. You got some hardy board, you got some regular kind of siding, and then you got this little brick up front. I really like that. Nice sized porch, right? You get some rocking chairs up in here. You know what I'm saying? And come into this home. This home was built in 2014. As you see, you got carpet on the floor in the living room area slash, well, I guess this could be a dining room. This could be, I would say maybe you could put the dining room area right here, and then that could be the living room over there, or you can vice versa, however you want to do it. That leads into this wide open kitchen. And I like the wide open space, right? So you got, look at this. So if you're entertaining, you got the family in here, if you want everybody to be involved in what's going on, you definitely got that. Granite countertops right here. As you can see, stainless steel appliances. Comes with the property. And this one's got 2 pantries, which I thought was very interesting. Right, you got one right here by the fridge, and then you got one right over here. Right there. Then when I come over here, you get your half bath. Let me just show you that real quick. Right, conveniently located right at the front door. So if you got an emergency going on, boom, you're right in the front door and you're right there. All right. And then they got the 2-car garage. Let's just show you the 2-car garage from the inside. But here's, right here, we just got like a little closet right here leading into this area. That could be a coat closet, whatever you like it to be. But here's your garage. Bang. Nice size. All right, got shelving already in it for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go upstairs. All right, we are at the top of the stairs. 4 bedrooms, all upstairs. So if you need one downstairs, this one ain't for you. Let's go into this primary bedroom. Massive, huge, 6 king size beds if you want to fit in here. It's humongous. I'm thinking myself, if I was gonna do this room, I probably have the king size right there, bang. And then probably like a sofa right there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a recliner, TV right there. Got the tray ceilings, so I really like that. But the one thing that you would be shocked at, okay, you can see from the outside actually. Look at this. That's the closet entry. This closet goes from there-ish all the way to there. So it's a huge closet. Look at this. Definitely don't want to miss it. Look. Bang. It's like a bowling alley up in here. I think if you get 10 pins down there, get your little mini bowling ball, boom. Little bowling league in your own bedroom, you and your spouse. Bowling league. Then you got dual vanity right there, separate shower, separate tub, and separate toilet. So, that's good. I would hope they have a separate toilet. All right, and then let's go to these other rooms. So we're just gonna take a left. We're gonna hit them as they come. This one, quite a bit smaller than the primary, obviously. You could fit a king size in here, but it'd be tough. I would say probably a twin queen, probably best bet on this one. And let's check out this closet real quick, bang. Closet, okay. Now, go to the next one. What we got here? Linen closet, bang. Bathroom for everybody, dual vanity. Shower tub combo. And then next room. Once again, I would say like that, the room we just left, kind of same situation here. You could fit king size, it would be tough. I would think queen, maybe full. Queen could fit easily actually on this one. Here's your closet, alrighty. And then laundry room, bang, upstairs. I like it when the laundry room's upstairs. near the bedrooms, so all the clothes don't have to go downstairs at all. And then finally, I think this one, all these rooms are similar besides the monstrosity that is the primary bedroom. The sizes of these other 3 rooms, pretty similar, if I'm being totally honest. So no one's getting a better, I mean, the best room is obviously the primary. Everybody else is getting the same room. So there's no complaining in this house. Let's go outside. All right, now we're leaving the kitchen, living room area, going out to the back here. And I like the big sized yard, and it's totally fenced in, beautifully painted. I mean, if you got fur babies or baby babies, this is a perfect spot. Play football back here if you want to. You got a little plastic shed right there. But I mean, just look, if I come in this corner, I mean, you can see for yourself how big this yard is. So, yeah. So that's 100 Smoke Rise Road in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any home in Richmond Hill, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.